sounds like a little bird. You gonna go after Mama? Hmm? You don't quite have your legs yet, do you? What? What? Don't quite have your land legs, do you? Here she comes. Here she comes. Come on, baby. Come here, baby. What you get that little tail going for? Huh? You're on the wrong end. That's the wrong end, baby. You've got to go to the other side. Yeah, you'll figure it out. Yeah. Whoops. There goes dinner.